Ever pondered the significance of regular home cleaning? It's not just about aesthetics, but it's also about maintaining a healthy and serene environment. It's a chore, no doubt, but it's a necessary one. So today, delve into a comprehensive guide on how to clean each part of your home. Start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. Begin by wiping down the countertops and stovetop with a damp cloth and a mild detergent. For stubborn stains, a baking soda and water paste does wonders. Next, focus on appliances like the microwave and fridge. Empty them, clean the insides with a mild soap solution and wipe dry. Remember to clean the exterior as well. Now move to the living room. Dust the furniture and vacuum the upholstery. Use a microfiber cloth to clean electronic devices and screens. Vacuum the carpet thoroughly and mop the floor with a mild floor cleaner. Next in line is the bathroom. Start by spraying the shower, bathtub, sink and toilet with a bathroom cleaner. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before scrubbing it down. Rinse with warm water and wipe dry. Clean the mirror with a glass cleaner for a streak-free shine. Bedrooms require a slightly different approach. Begin by changing the bed linens and dusting the furniture. Vacuum the floor, paying special attention to corners and under the bed. Wipe the windows and mirrors with a glass cleaner. The laundry room often gets overlooked, but it too needs attention. Wipe down the washer and dryer inside and out. Clean the lint trap and mop the floor. Last but not least, the outdoor areas. Sweep the patio, wipe down outdoor furniture, and clean the grill if you have one. To summarize, regular home cleaning involves tackling each room systematically. Start with the kitchen, move to the living room, then the bathroom, followed by the bedrooms, the laundry room, and finally, the outdoor areas. Use appropriate cleaners for different surfaces and appliances. Remember, a clean home is not just pleasing to the eye, but it also promotes a healthy and peaceful environment. So take the time to clean your home. Trust me, it's worth it.